Hi, I'm Kyle with Freezing Point, the makers of Frazil. Let's talk about improving sales and volume through your Frazil machine and program. We are committed to your success. We've identified 5 steps that our top customers follow to win. We call them our Frazil 5.
1. Use Frazil marketing and promotions. Frazil is one of the most well-branded frozen beverage programs. We continually work on our materials so our brand looks fresh and up to date. We offer a range of free marketing and promotional materials to help you sell more product. These include hanging signs, pump toppers, flavor tags inside every case, custom price signs, lawn signs, and pole signs. We also provide promotions designed to help you sell more product like double bubble cup promotions. 2. Keep the Frazil machine full of product. No one wants to buy the last hot dog on a roller grill or the last donut in the case, and the same is true of Frazil. Having the Frazil machine full of product enables your customers to have a positive Frazil experience. Machines with low product may cause harm to the machine. Broken down machines create downtime. Train your staff about the benefits of keeping the Frazil machine full of product. It may be helpful to keep 1 to 2 gallons of each flavor pre-mixed in your refrigerator or cooler for rapid refill. The colder the product is when added to the machine, the faster the product will freeze. Customers love variety. Frazil features multiple flavors each year. Rotate flavors every month to keep the program fresh and interesting. 3. Keep the machine clean. Clean the exterior of the machine daily. Clean the filter on the rear of the machine 2 times per month. Watch the monthly cleaning YouTube video available on our website. If you are missing a cleaning and maintenance guide, you may also order one through our website. 4. Use Frazil branded cups. Using Frazil branded cups has been shown to increase sales. We offer 3 sizes of cups with lids and straws that really make the experience of buying Frazil complete. Our cups come in 12, 20, and 32 ounce sizes. We also offer a double bubble cup promotion which has been highly successful in various markets. See our website or contact your distributor for promotions for your area. 5. Properly price the product. Ensuring proper price can have the single largest impact on sales. Though pricing may differ in your area, we recommend $1.29 for 12 ounce, $1.99 for 20 ounce, and $2.99 for a 32 ounce Frazil.
The Frazil 5 will help you increase your sales and ensure your customers have a great experience with Frazil. Remember, using marketing and promotions, keeping the machine full of product, cleaning the machine, using Frazil branded cups, and properly pricing the product. Please feel free to contact us with recommendations or questions at 1-877-372-9455. Thank you for being a Frazil partner.